There's a world of difference between a plant that's just surviving and one that's truly thriving. We gardeners know this difference. It's in the lushness of the leaves, the strength of the stems, the abundance of blooms. A surviving plant is alive, but lacks that spark. It's present, but not flourishing. Thriving plants, on the other hand, are vibrant, strong, and full of life. Our greatest joy is seeing our plants reach this state of pure growth. We water, weed, and follow all the rules. Yet sometimes our plants still fall short. They may look weak, attract pests, or simply refuse to grow with enthusiasm. It's a common frustration. What are we missing? Even with fertilizers and compost, some plants seem to want more. This isn't failure. It's an invitation to look deeper. Sometimes the answer lies in understanding the subtle ancient needs of our plants, and often the solution is found in nature itself. The real issue often hides in the soil, beyond the basics of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Plants need a balanced diet, including micronutrients like magnesium, calcium, boron and manganese. Even a tiny deficiency can stress a plant, making it vulnerable to pests and disease. Think of NPK as the building blocks, but micronutrients are the essential details that hold everything together. A lack of boron or magnesium can mean poor fruit or yellowing leaves. Stress plants invite problems, aphids, mildew and more. Chemical fertilizers may offer a quick fix, but don't build lasting resilience. It's like living on sugar and caffeine, short bursts, but no real health. To truly help our plants, we need a solution that nourishes them completely, from the inside out. That means looking beyond the basics to a more holistic approach. The secret to true plant vitality often comes from the ocean. Seaweed. Coastal gardeners have long known its power, using it to transform their crops. Seaweed is a nutrient powerhouse, offering over 60 minerals and trace elements. It provides not just the basics, but the crucial micronutrients often missing from soil. Using seaweed is like giving your plants a direct infusion of the ocean's mineral wealth. It's also rich in vitamins and complex carbohydrates, which improve soil structure. In clay, it helps with drainage. In sand, it retains moisture. Seaweed feeds both the plant and the soil, creating a healthier ecosystem. This dual action is what makes seaweed uniquely effective. It's a natural, holistic solution that works in harmony with your garden. Seaweed's magic isn't just in its nutrients. It's packed with natural plant hormones. Auxins, cytokinins and gibberellins are organic compounds that guide plant growth. Auxins boost root development, giving plants a strong foundation. Cytokinins drive shoot growth and keep leaves greener longer. Gibberellins help seeds germinate and improve fruit and flower development. Applying seaweed is like giving your plants a balanced set of growth instructions. The result? Strong roots, bushy growth, and abundant healthy produce. Seaweed doesn't force growth. It encourages balanced all-around development. From root tip to flower bud, your plants become more resilient and productive. It's nature's way of helping plants reach their full potential. Making your own seaweed fertilizer is simple and rewarding. Collect fresh seaweed from the shore. Any type works, but brown kelps are especially rich. Rinse off excess salt, then fill a large container 2/3 with seaweed and top with water. Cover loosely and let it steep for several weeks, stirring occasionally. The mixture will develop a strong earthy smell as it ferments. This is good. Over time, the water turns dark brown, like weak tea. Strain the liquid to remove solids. Add the leftover sludge to your compost. Store the concentrate in sealed bottles in a cool, dark place. To use, always dilute before applying to plants. This homemade feed is packed with nutrients and growth hormones. It's free, sustainable, and connects you to an ancient gardening tradition. With every batch, you're creating a powerful elixir for your garden. It's a simple way to give your plants a natural boost. And it's a practice that brings you closer to the rhythms of nature. One of the best ways to use seaweed liquid is as a soil drench. Dilute the concentrate, about 1 part seaweed to 10 parts water, until it's the colour of weak tea. Apply when the soil is moist, not dry, for best absorption. Use a watering can to soak the base of each plant thoroughly. This is especially helpful for new transplants or hungry crops like tomatoes and roses. The natural hormones encourage strong root growth and reduce transplant shock. Regular drenches every few weeks keep plants vigorous and productive. Seaweed also feeds beneficial soil microbes, building a healthy underground ecosystem. Each application invests in your soil's long-term fertility and resilience. It's a gentle, sustainable way to nurture your entire garden. Foliar spraying delivers seaweed's benefits directly to plant leaves. Dilute the concentrate further, 1 part seaweed to 20 parts water. Strain well to avoid clogging your sprayer. Spray early morning or evening when stomata are open for best absorption. Cover both tops and undersides of leaves with a fine mist. Foliar feeding acts fast, correcting deficiencies and boosting plant health. It also helps protect against pests and diseases by creating a natural barrier. Regular sprays every couple of weeks keep plants green and resilient. This method is a quick, effective tonic for stressed or struggling plants. Foliar spraying is a simple way to give your garden an instant lift. The transformation from using seaweed fertilizer is remarkable. Leaves become deeper green, stems stronger, and blooms more abundant. Vegetables and fruit are larger and richer in flavour. The whole garden becomes more resilient, less prone to drought, pests, and disease. Healthy soil teems with life, supporting a thriving ecosystem. You'll spend less time fighting problems and more time enjoying your garden. Seaweed fertilizer is about working with nature, not against it. It's a return to intuitive, holistic gardening. The secret isn't in forcing growth, but in gentle, complete nourishment. Your garden won't just survive, it will truly thrive. This is the power of a simple, sustainable gift from the sea. It's the joy of a garden that's magnificently alive.